munches, big munches, we're back doing another mukbang. Another mukbang. Another mukbang. I like irritating him. He just be, yeah, he be looking so, yeah, he be looking so over me. Okay, so, we're back and we're doing another, kind of a seafood thing.
It's a seafood mukbang. I have king crab legs.
I have.
She got imitation crab legs.
Imitation crab.
Well, not legs, but imitation crab.
If you caught the last video, you found out I was allergic to them. However, nephew's idea was get the imitation crab, see how you'll like it with the Bloveslife sauce, and I was like, yes.
She may not like it. She may like it. So it's gonna be a hit or miss.
So yeah, it's gonna be a hit or miss. I'm definitely willing to try. He made some more banging potatoes, some more sausage. We got some more eggs. So let's get into this.
All right, y'all.
Yeah, we got some more of the Bloveslife sauce. I think we made a little extra this time.
It's a lot. It looks like it's a lot.
Yeah, I think it's a little thicker this time. Definitely.
I just feel so special doing this because everybody on YouTube does it, and I just look at them like, oh my god.
Right, you be wanting to eat it, and so I was so happy to have tried it for that last video.
These potatoes are better than last time.
Are they? I was so happy to try it that last video that I didn't know what to do with myself, and the fact that he was like, try the imitation crab and see how you like it with that since you can't do the regular crab. I was with it. So let's see. How's the sauce? A little different?
It's good.
It's good?
How's imitation crab meat? It looks like you like it.
It's a little weird.
Yeah, I kind of figured that'd be weird.
It's a little weird. With the sauce, it's hidden. I can do it with the sauce. I couldn't just sit here and eat this by itself.
I don't think anybody does, do they?
Do people just eat crab by itself?
No.
Let me try the lemon. Didn't you have lemon? I love when they squeeze the lemon. Can I get some lemon?
Waitress, please.
Like, just cut it in half and bring it to us, please.
We have our own little server. The spice, I didn't. Okay, so last time I really didn't have.
It got a real kick to it.
Last time I didn't have it. I had like a scoop of it, and I wasn't eating it like, you know. But it's good. I'm tasting it full hand.
So now you're.
Which is my first.
He came in at the end of the other video. Yeah.
I was having.
So he didn't have that full effect. But wow.
These potatoes are way better than last time.
Try it.
I might be eating the crab meat. I'm just eating these potatoes and a sausage. I really don't eat eggs, but I might try it for y'all.
This sauce this time is way thicker. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
My nail is still broken.
Broken?
Yeah, my nail is broken.
You said my nose is broken. So your nose.
That would have been really bad, and I would not probably been sitting here.
No, I'm kind of disappointed. These aren't the king crabs that y'all be having, like the big, huge ones.
Yeah, he got those from the store. The last crabs we had, we actually went to the DC wharf to get them.
I suck at cracking crabs. Don't judge me.
You want some scissor?
I be seeing them do this. I be seeing them do this, and I be jealous as hell. Like,
I be jealous as hell when they be dipping it and then putting the lemon on it. That's why I'm trying.
It just looks so fake on the internet, and I'm doing it in real life. It just looks
right. Wow! Don't do that. I just squeezed the lemon on it for no reason. Just for it to go in there. I just wanted to try it. So
you got a real kick.
Oh my gosh.
I don't need them. Thank you, though. I appreciate you.
That was good. I see why they use the lemon. Have you tried it with the lemon? I see why they use the lemon.
Yeah, I just ate it with the lemon.
So, this sauce, y'all, is banging.
Y'all was onto something. It's spicy though, for me, it is.
Is a, you see, I keep grabbing my bottle. It do got a kick to it. Woo.
Russian.
Woo. That's what I'm talking about.
Is that your first potato?
No, this is my second.
Isn't it better than last time?
Yes. And this sauce got more of a punch this time than it did last time. I think I put a little extra of the cayenne this time. That's hitting. You good?
Huh?
You good?
I'm trying to burp, but I can't. I feel like I'm full, but I gotta burp.
Y'all, we're not gonna be in front of y'all long. We just wanted to come back and share this again because he got up and he was like, I gotta have that again. And he was like, you need to go make the sauce. Let's make the sauce. Make the sauce. I'm gonna make some more potatoes. You gotta make the sauce.
I don't understand. I be watching these mukbangs, and I know B-Love uploaded one like a few hours ago, and I was like, that she had like a 9-pound crab, and I'm like, yeah, I gotta have that sauce. Now that crab should be buying expensive as hell. Ain't nobody like crab. I'm gonna stick to what I know, what I can afford. My nose is running from the sauce.
We got a kick. Can I get a napkin, please? Yes. This is the real deal. She was on to something. Oh my gosh, thank you for letting this sauce go. Thank you for letting it go.
And if any of y'all make sauces out there in the world, don't be scared to let the world know what you make. Come on, Zoo. Everybody got an idea. What's the worst that can happen?
Right, that was kind of an inspiration type of thing because she was working on her stuff.
I suck at cracking crabs. Not even gonna lie.
She knew she was gonna put it out there. Oh my gosh. This is what's up. And honestly, if he had not been like, I need you to make some more of this sauce and let's do another one, I'm telling you, I'd have been still eating on some of what I had because no lie, I still got some like with the I know she said it lasts a certain amount of time if you know what I'm saying, put it in a thing and make sure it's tight, the top is tight, like one of them plastic containers.
Man.
Yo, I got like a piece and I'm still dipping it in the sauce. It's like a corner of the egg and I'm still dropping it in. And then she said you could freeze it for like
6 months?
6 months, yeah.
I think that's what she said. Don't quote me on that.
I think it was 6 months.
I'm gonna come back to this.
Woo! And
man, these potatoes are great, man. You don't understand. If y'all can taste these potatoes right now,
I was watching one. Go ahead.
These aren't your average potatoes.
I was watching one video where she said the sauce is supposed to come back in, the mild one. They're getting ready to have some of the mild one released soon, and so I can't wait to try that one in comparison to this one. And making it off of just watching, her recipe offline. I want to do that. Y'all, I'm sorry, we don't have a whole lot of words. It's just like
the food speaks for itself.
Mm. It's so good. I don't know if I could really get down with this imitation as much.
It don't look like it.
Did you try it? And so it makes me a little jelly because I want to know if it compares to,
It doesn't.
you know, the real deal. Have you ever had it?
That?
Yeah.
Yeah, I tried that. I didn't like it.
With the sauce?
I'm not trying it.
I was able to do it with the sauce and the lemon. That made it decent. But I don't see myself getting down with that on a regular. What I do want to try it with is some chicken. Like some fried chicken. I want to dip some fried chicken in it. And as a matter of fact, I think my daughter's making some.
I don't eat eggs, so y'all won't see me eating an egg. And I get full quick because I'm just about full.
Sorry.
But this also something serious. If you at home and you really want to make it, I will give it a try.
You're missing out if you don't. Just like I felt. That's how I felt.
Now, I would try the recipe, you know, piece by piece. I wouldn't skip any ingredients. You know, she does mention, you know, do it how you would like to do it.
Do it how she do it, though.
Do it how she does it, and then if you would like to make alterations, then I would advise you to make alterations that you feel like are applicable to you.
Yeah, Alter nothing.
Unless you don't like spicy, this has a kick to it.
Alter nothing.
It's not even all that spicy. It's just the right amount of spice. In this one, at least.
Hey, hear what I say.
These potatoes are bad.
Don't change nothing.
Else,
I mean, if you gotta change it, like she said before, because of the salt content.
All that.
Like, this is something I wouldn't eat every day because of the salt content. But that's how I am with salty foods anyway. And it's not even that it tastes salty. I just know it's in there, and I know it's spicy, and it's so good.
It's so warm. This is freshly made sauce.
Have you had it the next day?
What sauce?
I had it the next day because I still got a little bit in there. The next day, it was hitting. Yes, I was eating them with the sausage. I was so pressed. I was trying to find something else that could possibly be ate with it the next day. I know she wants to do the cucumbers. Right, the cucumber sausage and rice. I was trying to find something, so I used some sausage, and it was so good the next day because it had marinated. Like, it was sitting in there. Everything had time to come together. Woo, that kick.
Those potatoes are way better than last time.
And the last ones were good.
Sorry to master them of my second attempt.
Woohoo! This sauce is banging. Y'all gotta excuse me. I've been a little hyped today. For good reason, though. For good reason. Real recognize, real win. When you feel like there's things out there trying to pull you down, it is up to you to, you know what I'm saying, sometimes give yourself that boost. Like, remind yourself, like, for what? I mean, and I've been feeling like that all day, like, powerful. You feel me? Anyway, you full? Yeah, I told y'all we wouldn't be before y'all long.
This sauce is good. You gotta try it. I can't emphasize that enough. I don't know what the aftermath is gonna look like after this.
Y'all gonna see?
I really don't want to try egg, but I do want to try egg with this sauce.
Just with the sauce, because even my husband tried it with the sauce, and he said it just reminded him of this stuff he used to get back home in Ghana. and that it was good. Jasmine, you want to try it? The sauce? It's really good.
I'll try with the potato.
You want to try it with the potato?
I'll try it.
Hold on. You don't got to get in front of the camera. You can. This will be the first time that they're trying it. So, here, I'm just going to push it over there so you can
What
get.
am I supposed to get?
You just dip it real good. Hold it over there above you. Get some of that stuff at the bottom, the onion and all of that.
It's a tutorial on how to eat sauce.
Uh-huh.
With that?
Now it does have a kick. Yep, bring it up. Ah. Get it in.
You're a big muncher.
Get it in. Spicy? You don't like the spice?
It's not spicy.
It ain't spicy to you? Oh, well, excuse me.
It's not that spicy. It's like
Because you're not eating it back to back.
Excuse me. Yeah.
back to back. Try it.
Yeah, back to back, it'll probably give you a nice little kick. I'm like, yeah, we're letting them try it for the first time. The kids didn't get a chance. Big bite. Whoa.
Carpet.
Uh-oh. Hit the carpet.
I'll clean it. Oh no, you clean it.
So.
What about the egg?
You want to try it with the egg? So, it's good.
Well, we might as well end this video.
It's not
Let's
right.
dig in.
Yeah, we wasn't going to be before you long. We just wanted to show you that we was pressed and had to do it again
But the
because the
potatoes
sauce
good.
is banging. The potatoes really good. The eggs is good.
Let's take one for the road.
You want to try with the egg? All right. Hang on. Like,
Well,
just
alright,
dip it, grab you all of that. We about to get up out of here. Thank you for hanging with us again. Try to catch the other video. We did like a double upload where we did a little baby food joint. So
that was nasty.
catch that video and find out what that expression was. I'm gonna look at some other videos and see if anybody else has ever done that with the baby food. And yeah, let's keep passing this sauce around. This joint is hitting. Thumbs up on this video. Hit the subscribe button. I love you, babies. I appreciate all of y'all subscribing.
I'm
And
zoning out.
right, he got the itis. So we
I
about
just need
to
to use the bathroom now.
we about to get up out of here. Bye, babies.